Hello everyone, welcome my channel. I'm Willie and creator of Hardware Android, and I am working on senior mobile developer as classes team. And today I would like to share my new video series about use case. The topic is use case, and we will see how can I replicate real life scenarios with this series actually. And I will show to some sample code with this solution about my use case scenarios. Yep. And let's talk about today's topic. Today's topic is license flow with strategy pattern actually. My main idea and what if you think about why we need this implementation or why we need to use strategy pattern. And first of all, we need to talk about what is my use case or use. I already actually I said the use, and we are working some customer, and our customer want to implement for license flow like this image. As you can see this image, and license flow is probably your flow every time is changed, but it's solution for actually for coming for changing, because if our implementation will help to change or will help to manage our every flow for some sectoral rules and some sectoral functionality and etc. Our main idea is your code every time can be changed for rapidly and easily and etc. And this solution for coming this time actually our customers want to this license flow, and I was thinking about how can I do that. Actually many things about coming my idea, my brain, and maybe I can flow or I don't add this solution. I didn't add this solution maybe, and I can add the very other similar solution. But why I choose this solution? Because my customer or our request is starting to three different process. I'm checking actually my notes. Yeah, flow consists of 3 pages actually my customer wants to me. First page, each license check page is like this, is a sample text and checkbox. If user pressed this checkbox icon and you after then press the next button, open the dialog, and if user again press the complete button, we are showing to some bottom sheet or etc. Your process all is finished successfully. But user or clients if this decline this process or cancel this process, it shows to cancel bottom sheet dialog. And I think about one, if user want to add other new scenarios or other new flows, how can I implement this scenario? How can I implement this? Because maybe probably if you do that, this if you want to solve, or if you think about how can I solve this solution or question or request, probably you can find the many question or many solution, because it's so simple. It's a kind of 2 steps, probably manage very easy. But I would like to talk, or I would like to inform about how can you implement like this process, this solution, and you can, and after if you understand if you understand what I'm do for this solution or for coding side, you can make a change for very easily, and you can add some other requests coming from user and very manageable and etc. after this implementation. Yeah, this is also basic inform for this request actually. And I'm checking note again. Yeah, info of this first step. Yeah, we have 3 steps. First steps is check the license page, and as I can see this page as like this is very simple actually, random checkbox and button. And the flow continues to when user approve the checkbox. Yeah, when user try to open this box or when user press this check button, and my steps continue to next steps. And the second step is approve dialog. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, approve the. My design is so better. So I'm so sorry because this is not this for not matter for me, because my main idea for giving this solution, coding solution actually, coding structural solution, design always be can be better actually. And the second step is approve dialog, yeah, and using the process will approve it, then the final step will be redirect, yeah. If you user actually the complete this dialog after the press, and we will see the final process. And as you can see, this is last step, only checkbox icon indicators whether the steps have successfully has been completed successfully, yeah. This process can be finished successfully, or if user press this button and if user going to back, as you can see, has a problem or any error page coming up this flow. And actually yeah, that's three ideas. It's okay, my main idea. And let's check out coding site again. My steps or my flows only maybe 25 codes. I just created a sum. I will explain what I'm doing, but I would like to show how can I manage this process before the beginning actually, because maybe you don't know status pattern and etc. Actually, this video I don't understand for status pattern design etc. I will show the example about, or I will show the how can you make your structure or strategy design with this code. But if you want to understand for deeply, you have to read, or you have to find the most of the deeply solution for static pattern on Java or C# or etc. Most of the backend solution you can find the understand more better actually. But I'm sure after this coding site you will understand why I'm choose this pattern. This pattern depends on actually, or created on your strategy, and you have maybe a lot of strategy, and you find your strategy, and your strategy created a similar every strategy was similar or extend similar class, and you just change or you just put it your strategy for every step by step, and then you can continue or you can close your steps for your business decide actually. Yeah, let's see this side, and like I'm checking code again, adding new flow. Yeah, why this solution based on the following idea: adding new flows easily, yes, manage flow classes in basic way, business requests separately, and any flow change rapidly. Yeah, my main 4 idea. I can say that why I'm choose the strategy pattern after this flow, and that's it actually for my site. And for first of all, let's check out actually strategy context code, strategy context class. I have actually 2 class. First of all is strategy result. Actually my strategy as I already said to you, I have 3 page and 3 strategy. License page, actually not bottom sheet strategy, but we can say that bottom sheet page and first page. If any page completed done or completed okay, or decide the right way, we will return to success. But maybe user back the home page or etc., we will return to failure actually. And I created this class, and I have execute method. I will execute every steps finished for the next steps, for the starting the next steps, because I would like to continue to form my flows actually. And this operation will manage this class will manage my main flows with the execute method, and strategy result will return to my strategy response actually. Yes, and let's see. Let's looking for my first code. What is the first code? Strategy license. Yes. Where is the strategy license? Yes. I have first operation or process or flow. Doesn't matter for name, and strategy license. As you can see, I decide to open page actually, but if I want to decide or if you want to change this process like this, I can show the dialog. It doesn't matter. You just put it your code. You just put it your execute method is the strategy pattern. We start actually this time, this point. You just put it your code and you fill it your code what you want, like page, like pop-up dialog, like sheet, and you just return your result. It depends on it's important point for your result, and you just define your business in this execute method. And the first method, and I created the page actually, strategy license page. Where is the page? As this page actually, I opened this page, like as you can see, I have a little checkbox and I have a little button. If I press the checkbox, I updated the state, and when state is done, user can click the button and I return to success. Yeah, this first step is this license page checkbox approved. This is very simple because it's only left yeah. I created this page actually. I can add some many things because it's a license page actually. You can I had many license, but it doesn't matter. It's a random text. It's similar actually for me because it's a replica page. I would like to create a license flow actually. You can put it your every text is this field. And second flow in this page, yeah. What is second flow? Yeah, our second flow, approve dialog actually. Let's see. Approve dialog is, as you can see, many application when you press the checkbox, and ask to you, are you sure about your decision? If you can put the OK or close button, your request will complete it for latest change or latest decision actually. And the second part is ask question dialog. As you can see, I have again strategy approve class and with the extend with operation actually, and actually not inherit for operation actually. We can use with this class we can put it and fill it the show with the show dialog this class. And as you can see, show dialog is similar simple class. Again, I just want to show dialog, and maybe I just add this code. I don't like it very high, and maybe I can add some padding. Yeah, it's better. And if you user again press the confirm button, and as you can see, this process will done, and we are showing the third page in the result. What is the result? In the result, as you can see, success, because everything is gone, everything is done, and as I can complete my process. Of course, this is a so simple scenario, but if you can add maybe license page after user press, you can add some service call your backend. You can call your backend services, and you can put it your code with backend services. And the second strategy will decide what you do in approve dialog, and maybe you can add again your service code with your process, and you can send your second request, and after everything is okay, you can show the bottom sheet for success or failure case. This is a for your hand actually. If you want to do something, if you want to do backend call, if you want to do other site or etc., you can do everything for this view class actually. Approve dialog and license page and etc. You can do everything for whatever actually. It is actually other important point, because I don't this solution does not depends on any view. It depends on your return code. Actually, what is return is I'm depends on this site. I don't want to look at your page. I don't want to use what did you do any other dialog or custom dialog or etc. It's just to depend your return result. Actually, if your result okay, I will continue to show up maybe this page. If your result fail, I'm going to show the this solution actually failure case actually. And yeah, and the last page is bottom sheet. Bottom sheet is so similar again. It's I just show it if this result is failure. I'm just wrote the has problem. If everything done, I'm show with this check button. Yes, it's done, and we need to talk about latest code is strategic context. Actually, strategic context it depends on manage the I'm checking my note again. It's now possible to use core layer for every step, manager and view item. Yeah, after this context code, I can manage the every layer and manage and view item. No, it's possible to core layer and for every step. Yeah, this strategic context class manage actually whole my process and some functionality giving to change our strategy with this same one class with this class. And I can only say to change place strategy and it's going to change our what I'm doing this process actually. Maybe after some decide, I can say that please open other strategy and etc. It doesn't matter. It depends on. It's just checking actually. I'm just as you can see. I just want to what is operation class. I would like to or I need to give my operation. I just set it my core class, and if you want call to run code, I gotta execute your latest operation actually. It's my or it depends on actually or it's getting power for design pattern actually. What is power is depends on this abstract layer actually. I just check the execute mode, execute code. I find this code and I just call to this instance with the execute method actually, and I don't know what is the class or what it depends on what's other thing. And other important point is when user try to any other add want either new strategy or etc. It's not matter for me. I just put it my context, and if user call to run, I'm gonna call this code and I will return to your response for you and you decide what you do. Yep, that's okay. And actually I use this pattern in my Vegana project. If you want, you can visit my Vegana. I will open Vegana. Yes, Vegana, my network solution package actually. And if you're looking my database layer, you will see how can I implement cache layer. How can I implement for strategy pattern file send shared. Actually, I use the strategy pattern for this point for this manage Vegana because I have a lot of maybe caching solution like Hive and shared or etc. And I'm gonna create I created like this abstract layer and I just put it my main methods like create, add, delete on etc. And I just put and I'm created like strategy context and cache context actually, and I manage whole request, whole caching request of with this strategy class or with this context class actually. And I just, if you want to user change your caching solution, I just say to call to like this method, please change my caching strategy and ask the why what you want, like Hive. I just say to Hive, and every operation starting will working with Hive actually. It's a so good point for Vegana and with this solution actually. And I'm checking last code. Yeah, we forgot to talk about home view, and as my home view is basically floating action button and title, and it's important point in home view mixing actually. I've created some content for mixing usage again. I have some idea, but this time it doesn't matter, but it's so good usage actually for the Flutter side. You can district any page with this mixing actually. It's so important point like for me. And you couldn't add constructor and etc. Mixing is powerful, but you be careful where you use it actually. This depends on for user side. Maybe you can use abstract class, and maybe you can mix it. So it depends on, most of the separate for constructor usage. It doesn't matter right now. We need to talk about on start flow actually. And as you can see, I get a constructor and first strategy. I would like to create your first strategy when your strategy is starting, and you maybe this time I set the strategy license, and as you can see, after strategy run going to process, and then if return the success, it's going to open strategy approve. If everything going to continue, and I show the response, maybe I can change this page strategy approve and other page strategy license. As let's look at how it's working on my project. And first time it will open the random approve, the second time is open the license page, and the last time, as you can see, show the successfully. And actually this is important for point and getting for power for this pattern actually. I just changed the strategy, and my strategy always similar, and I know what is the return every strategy, and I can manage, or I can say the some decide or my solution or find any etc. It doesn't matter actually. It depends on your changes, your strategy. You can change, or you can put it, or you can add some new strategy. And my design, my working, or my flow, every time we continue to work for any new changes or etc. Because I decide, or I making my flow like this, and it's not depends on directly class or etc. It depends on my pattern, and my pattern always return to result on etc. And this code will understand what I'm do. And let's look at my latest note. Setting up strategy for managing flows. Yes, and when you set the constructor, simple listen, start the first flow. Yeah. Decide what to base the first flow. Okay. The first respondent success when you strategy. Okay. In the home page closes or anything happen, they will fail and so on. Yeah. It's when user open back or close the dialog, it showed the error dialog actually. Yeah, that's all of us first videos. And my notes I will share to Medium actually. I will share to my notes in Medium channel, and maybe put it for this link in the chat, and you can follow this solution with this article actually. And maybe article is better because my English sometimes is not good, but I'm trying actually. I'm trying to understand what I'm doing, and how can I use this pattern actually for like this solution. Yep, that's all of us for me. Thank you for watching for me. Please subscribe and share this channel for the world, and I will continue for creating use case videos for this hardware under global channel. But if you know Turkish, language. You can follow my channel for hardware Android, and you can find this video Turkish version before the or here 0 to finishing coding version actually in my other channel. Yep. Thanks so much for watching again. Have a good day. Have a good coding. See you next article or next videos. See you. Bye bye.